OMG, kids, where in the city are you gonna find a condo unit at this price with this view? Every time I turn, I see Lake Ontario. We're down here by the lake on Shore Breeze. This is a great unit to get into the market. Stop renting. The price of this unit is unbelievable, cheaper than what it is to rent. You got transit at the doorstep. Oh my God, just get on a bike. The bike path is right there and it takes you right down to the city, or you hop on the Gardner. Oh my God, this unit is amazing. You gotta come and see it.